Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be giving you my honest opinion of 3 products I bought from Live Tinted as part of their Black Friday sale: the hueglow, the huestick, and the Unity Balm Gloss. If this is your first time watching my video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you never miss another upload. So I just want to start by giving some background for anyone that isn't familiar. Live Tinted is a beauty brand founded by Deepika Mutyala, and it's all about embracing the skin you're in and shining a light on underrepresented people in the beauty community. So that could mean people of color, or that could mean members of the LGBTQ community. So overall, it's just a really great brand with a really great message, and I'm so happy to be supporting a small business during this time. So as I mentioned before, I'm going to be talking about 3 products that I got as part of the Live Tinted Black Friday sale. Initially, I only had my eye on the hueglow. I was waiting for a sale and I wasn't sure whether I would get it, and at the last minute on Cyber Monday, this bundle of 3 was marked down for a little less than $50. I felt that this was the best deal I was going to get if I really wanted to buy these, so I went ahead and got all 3. The first product I want to talk about is the huestick, and this is designed to be a multi-use stick. Live Tinted has 3 shades that are specifically intended for color correcting. Apart from those 3 shades, all of the shades are meant to be multi-use, so they can be used as a lipstick, as a blush, as eyeshadow, and anything and everything in between. So it's really great if you're just going for a monochromatic look and you're not trying to carry more than one product. So this is not my first hue stick. I do already own the orange hue stick in the shade Rise, and I specifically use that for color correcting. Let me know if you'd like to see a video on how I use that to color correct. But since I already have that orange one, the shade I decided to purchase is called True. So let me go ahead and unbox this. So this is what it looks like when I take it out of the packaging. It has a really nice copper finish going on, and I think it's super retro. You know, I really like that they chose copper to kind of brand their products. I feel like the copper gives it a very unique, retro, timeless feel that really can't be replicated in any other way or in any other product. So as I mentioned, I got the shade True, which is like a dusty pink, and I'm going to start by just kind of swatching it on my hand. So this is super creamy to apply, just like my other hue stick. Get a close up. So this is how it looks on my hand. Now I'm going to try to go ahead and apply it on my lips, cheeks, and eyes. Is probably like the most perfect nude I've ever found for my skin tone. That's part of the reason I wanted to buy this shade, but the way that I just applied that lipstick, I never apply lipstick like that. The way I always apply lipstick is just dabbing and then blending it all out, because I'm so scared that the color will be too bold and it won't look good on my skin. The fact that I was able to apply this color in full around my lips, that is a big deal. I think to apply it on my eyes, I'm just gonna take it between my fingers and then kind of dab it. So we've done that, and then last thing I want to try is applying it on my cheeks as a blush. So I think I'm just going to swipe and then blend it all out. Okay, so now I'm going to use my fingers. That is the blush. I can't tell how it looks on camera, but at least in person, I think it looks very subtle. I really like that I'm able to match the lipstick and blush and eye color, and I think this color looks really good on my skin. I know it's hard to find pink nudes like this for medium brown skin, but this looks really good. My only beef with this is that I thought it was great to apply on the lips. It was super easy, but I feel like when I tried to apply it as a blush and as an eyeshadow, it was not super easy to blend. Maybe that has something to do with my foundation, maybe that has something to do with the fact that it's a stick and not a liquid. I don't know, but I wasn't the biggest fan of blending it as a stick. However, I really love this as a lipstick, and I don't know how long this product is going to last me, because I will definitely be using it very often. So next product I'm excited to try is the Unity Balm Gloss. To be honest, I was never really planning on purchasing this product. I wouldn't have purchased it unless it didn't come with a set like this. And the reason I say that is because when this first was released, it was branded as a product that can be used as a balm and a gloss, like super hydrating, super moisturizing. And in my head, I was just like, isn't that Vaseline? I was really confused as to what the innovation was, but we'll see. I'm excited to try it. So again, we have a nice copper wrapping. Oh, there's a seal. Okay, I was not prepared for that. I had already squeezed it before and now it's like oozing out the top. So let me try to pick some up. I'll try to put it on my hand. I know I may have picked up a lot of product, but it's very thick and very shiny. So I don't even need to go into the tube again. I'm just gonna pick up what's on my hand and try to dab it on my lips. I do like how this looks as a gloss, and I can understand why it's not the same as Vaseline. It's definitely more liquidy and it's not as sticky. Honestly though, I feel like I used way too much of this because I feel like a little goes a long way. Like this is overly hydrating and I don't consider myself as someone with dry skin, so definitely only use a little of this product. Overall, I think it's okay. I wouldn't buy it at full price, but since it came along with the bundle, I think it's worth it. And lastly, I'm so excited to try the one I've been most looking forward to, the hueglow. This is supposed to be like the brand's highlighter, and on the packaging, I'm just going to read it. It says, a new way to highlight your skin, crafted with light reflecting properties and a botanical blend for hydration and luminosity. So let me go ahead and open this. So I got the shade Dusk, which is like the more bronze copper gold shade. They also have another shade which is more pink rose gold, and that one is called Dawn. I think this is super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my hand first. Just gonna squeeze. Ooh. So even before blending, it just came out as like a nice little round dot. Wow. Look at that. Super coppery. I'm gonna go ahead and take this as a highlight. I was a little worried seeing it on my hand, but it's actually pretty blendable. So I'm just gonna use my finger, and I like to get some on my nose as well. So overall, I would say this looks pretty natural. You know, it's not like anything shocking like Fenty Beauty highlighter or anything. I would say it's pretty natural. I think this applicator, however, makes it a good choice to use on other parts of the body as well. So for example, I try to put it on my collarbone. So I can already tell on camera it looks much more highlighted. I can definitely see this as a great product to use in the summer. You know, you want to highlight your collarbone or areas of your shoulder. I think this would be a great product to go to. So overall, I would say I loved the Hue Stick. I really like the hueglow, and I'm not a fan of the balm gloss. And again, my reasoning is I think the Hue Stick in shade True is the perfect pink nude for medium skin. I think the hueglow is great as a highlighter on parts of your body and on your face only when you're going for a more natural, glowy, dewy look. I feel like it's really hydrating, and that's not necessarily a bad thing, but if you're going for like a super matte glam look, this may not be the highlighter to reach for, but overall I do really like it because the natural glowy look is trending now. And the balm gloss I am not a huge fan of, only because I think it's way too thick and heavy for me personally. I don't have dry skin, but for someone with really dry skin, I can see how in the winter time this might be a staple product for them. The last thing I will say about all of these products though is that I do really like how they are all multifunctional. So for example, the Hue Stick, it can be used as a lipstick, a blush, a eyeshadow, color corrector. Even the hueglow, it can be used as a highlighter. It can also be used as a serum to mix in with your moisturizer or mix in with your foundation. Or you can just wear it alone under your foundation. And similar with the balm gloss, even though I said it's not my favorite, I would like to try at some point just wearing this alone without makeup, just putting some on my lips, putting some wear out highlight, putting some on my eyelids, and just seeing how it looks. And I think that multifunctional capacity is a really great plus for these products. It makes me really excited to try them and keep trying them and keep finding different ways to use them. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you plan on purchasing any products from Live Tinted in the comments down below. As I mentioned, they're a great brand with a great message, and I love supporting them. If you like this video and you want to see more beauty related videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up as well. And I will see you next Friday.